लोकांक एक हांव ह्या निमित्तान मॅसेज दिवंक सोदतां की डेंगी कंट्रोल हो जसो हेल्थ सर्विसीसाचो आनी म्युन्सिपालिटीचो सिवीक बॉडींची जबाबदारी आसा तशीच सगळ्या लोकांचीय जबाबदारी आसा. वास्कोन प्रॉब्लेम जाता मॉस्किटो ब्रिडींगाचो वॉटर स्टोरेजाक लागून. वॉटर शॉर्टेज आसा वास्कोन, ताका लागून लोकांक उदक स्टोर करून दवरचेंच पडटा. ताका कांय पर्याय ना, फक्त एकूच कॅर घेवपाची की उदक 7 दिसां वयर स्टोर जावंक जायना. जें उदक तुमी बॅरलांनी स्टोर करता तें बॅरलांचें तोंड मातशें कपडो बी बांदून बंद दवरा सो दॅट मॉस्किटोज कांट एंटर अँड ले एग्स. सो ब्रिडींग वील बी कंट्रोल्ड. दीस हॅज टू बी डन एट द हावस टू हावस लेवल. दुसरी गोश्ट, घरान खंयच ब्रिडींग जावंक दिवंक जायना. फ्लावर पॉट्स आसता तांच्या पोंदां जी डीश दवरता त्या डिशान उदक एक्युमुलेट जाता आनी तातूंत सामकें हमखास मॉस्किटो ब्रिडींग जाता. हाचेर मातशें लक्ष दवरा. एम्प्टी दोज डिशीज रेगुलरली. 7 दिसां वयर उरपाक जायना उदक स्टॅग्नंट. 7 दिसां वयर जशें उदक स्टॅग्नंट उरलें तातूंत मॉस्किटोज जाता. दुसरी गोश्ट, बॅरलान भरिल्लें उदक आसता पळय तें वापरतकूच थोडें सोंपता पूण पोंदां इल्लें उदक उरता. बिफोर फिलींग न्यू वॉटर तें पयलींचें उदक आसा तें मातशें रिकामें करप, कित्याक नाजाल्यार तें उदक उरून तातूंत मॉस्किटो ब्रिडींग जाता आनी मागीर तें प्रमाण मॉस्किटोचें वाडत वता. प्लीज टेक दीस केअर. वी रिक्वायर युअर असिस्टन्स इन कंट्रोलिंग डेंगी. You are very much part of the fight against dengue. I am sure most people in Vasco are responsible. They know their responsibilities. This is just my message. And with your assistance, we will definitely control dengue. म्युन्सिपालिटीन पुढाकार घेवन ही मिटींग ऑर्गनायज केल्ली. बिल्डरांक आनी बाकीचे जे स्टेक होल्डर आसा, हेल्थ सर्विसीस आसा आनी म्युन्सिपालिटी आसा तांचे खातीर मिटींग ऑर्गनायज केल्ली टू क्रिएट अवेरनेस अबाउट द डेंगी सिच्युएशन इन वास्को. वास्कोन जें डेंगी सिच्युएशन आसा तें कशें कंट्रोलान हाडचें हाचे बद्दल डिस्कशन करपा खातीर ही मिटींग म्युन्सिपालिटीन ऑर्गनायज केल्ली.
ओके, कितले फ्रुटफूल जाली ही मिटींग म्हळ्यार?
खूबच फ्रुटफूल जाता, कित्याक थोडे लोक अशे आसता जांचे कडेन आमीचो डायरेक्ट कॉन्टॅक्ट येना. अशा लोकांक आमकां जेन्ना मिटिंगेन मेळूंक मेळटा तेन्ना आमकां जी हेल्थाची मॅसेज तांचे कडेन पावोवपाची आसता ती पावोवपाक बरें पडटा.
Today we had launch of Ayushman Bhava program and त्या खातीर we had a meeting with the builders and contractors here in the municipality building of Vasco and then I being a nodal officer for tuberculosis program I gave them a small orientation talk on what is tuberculosis and what the program is all about, because we are planning to eradicate TB from India by the year 2025 and this program is directly monitored by our PM's office. So we have intensified this program to detect more and more number of cases, treat them and follow up with them, also screen all the people who may have TB infections and treat them, so that we are able to achieve our goal of eliminating TB by 2025. So in brief, what I told about these people is they should know when you want to eradicate something, eliminate something, you should know what it is and how it can be treated, where you have to go and what are the treatment options available. So all these people were told about what tuberculosis is, that it is a disease, infectious disease which is caused by a bacteria, and then what are the symptoms of TB. Like we have the 4S complex, which is cough, any person who has coughed for more than 14 days, fever, weight loss, night sweats. These are the 4S complexes of TB. They have to consult their doctor and get themselves investigated. I also told them about the investigation facilities that are available with us. The DHS has Urban Health Center Vasco and Sub-District Hospital Chikalim. So patients can approach us. We have OPDs. Urban Health Center Vasco has OPDs where the doctors will assess the patient and refer them to Sub-District Hospital Chikalim, where we have a higher end facility of treating tuberculosis, which is called the TrueNat test, sputum TrueNat test for tuberculosis, wherein even a minute amount of infection will be detected. Not only this, we will also get a report on what drugs the patient can respond to, whether he is resistant, we should not include that in his treatment regimen, or whether this drug, this medicine will work for the patient.